Well, hello everyone. Welcome to DIY Design by CCW. Welcome to the 2020 collaboration. I want to thank Diva Designing on a Dime, Miss Kimberly Davis, and My Style, My Colors for hosting this collab. Uh, the theme for this one is, if you haven't guessed already, it's the Valentines Coffee Station 2020 collaboration. Again, what we were instructed to do was to come up with our version of a Valentine's themed coffee station, come up with, of course, a style and a color scheme, and I'll get a little closer and kind of show you what I came up with. If you kind of look around here in my home, you'll see that I've kind of, guess I got more of a glam theme going, so I wanted to make sure that my coffee station would blend in with that theme. So you'll notice that I did go with the glam look. Now my overall color scheme is ivory and gold, and I'll just kind of get a little closer and walk you through and talk to you and tell you what I've got here. So you'll see that I went with, this is a tiered serving tray, and it's silver, and I don't know if it shows up on camera, but it's silver and gold. I really love mixing my metals. I just think that gives everything a richer look. And what I did is I used it to display my cups. These cups at the bottom are cups I already had. I don't know if it shows up on camera, but they're ivory, like an off-white, and they're rimmed in gold. And then these cups are cups that I picked up, I think, at Burlington, I want to say. Either Burlington or Home Goods, I'm not sure which. And if it doesn't show up on camera, they are ivory, like an off-white, and they have gold accents. And behind them, or actually they're sitting on a tray that I repurposed. This is a tray, this is a tray that I used somewhere else in my home, and I thought I'd repurpose it for this. It's gold, and it's got, as you can see, some silver and a little bling there. So I thought it would go with the look. I covered, or for the foundation for my little cart, I used this runner, and I'll get a little closer. It's ivory and gold. I don't know, again, if that shows up on camera or not. And you can see the little tassels there. Just thought that would give the dress up the old cart that I'm using, that I repurposed for this station. These are some glasses that I've had for a long time. They're rimmed in gold, and I'm just using them to hold the tea lights. This is a vase I repurposed from another area in my home. I have a couple of these. I have one that's silver, and this one just happens to be gold. This is a cup I really like. The I Do Crew is what it says on it. And you'll see it's got a little diamond ring there, a little bling. And it may or may not show up on camera, but it's sort of an off-white with gold accents. And I've got some gold spoons there. I love, love, love flavored coffee. So, of course, no coffee station for me would be complete without my flavored coffee. And what have I got? I got vanilla and hazelnut. I don't know if it shows, but these napkins, they're actually ivory and gold. If I can get a little closer, you'll see. And of course, it's got the heart in the middle for our Valentine's Day theme, and a little flecks of gold in the heart. I think I got this gold heart in the middle at Burlington, I want to say. These in the back, these candle holders, those came from Home Goods. So did this one. So did this decanter in the middle. And I'm using that to hold my flavored creamers. And I repurposed my little cake plate here. I'm going to get a little closer. I don't know if you can see the pattern in it. It's like ivory, and then it's got a gold pattern embedded in it. And I think I got this at Marshall's. This is just a storage container, and I filled it with some pastries. And I believe I got this at Marshall's too. Either Marshall's or TJ Maxx. I don't know if you can read this behind it, but it says blessed. And this is just some wall art that I repurposed from another room. And this sugar decanter, I'll get a little closer. You'll see it's got a little bling there on top. I believe I got that either from Home Goods or TJ Maxx or Marshall's. One of the three, I don't know. Now, back up a little bit. So, you may notice this is actually a kitchen cart that I repurposed and used, you know, for my coffee station. My coffee pot's over here. Tea kettle, all of that, like I said, and some home decor that I used and put over here to on this stand. And the reason I did it this way is some of you may know that for about, going on not 2 years quite, maybe 19, 20 months, I've been in the middle of remodeling a complete fixer-upper. So if you follow my channel, then you probably know that already, that, you know, there's been a lot of work that's gone on here. And one of the biggest issues has been that my kitchen has limited space. So I'll pan around so you can see. A small kitchen, not real big. And because of that, because of the fact that I don't have a lot of counter space, I'll show you here my dining room if I didn't show you before. There you go. And not a lot of room in the dining room. I decided to make this area my coffee station. And rather than put a big piece of furniture in here that would take up too much room, I decided to repurpose this kitchen cart. It kind of worked out though. It fits. It goes with my decor. And kind of happy how it turned out. So I'll pan around again so you can see everything. Like I said, most everything here is either something I found somewhere on sale or something I repurposed from another room in the house. I'll get a little closer. This vase was sitting in my living room. I thought it would look nice there, so I repurposed it there. And there you go, guys. That's my take on it. Again, this is the Valentines 2020 Coffee Station. Valentine's Coffee Station 2020 collaboration. Again, I want to shout out to My Style, My Colors. And also Diva Designing on a Dime, Miss Kimberly Davis. Again, they are the ladies that hosted this collab. And I'm very happy to participate. And can't wait to do another one. I enjoy doing things like this. And I can't wait to see what the other ladies did. So I'm sure that they did some amazing work. And I hope that you, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do that. If you haven't subscribed to either of these ladies' channels, please do that as well. And I'm going to make sure that I leave links in the description box so that you'll be able to find their channels. And again, this is going to be, this hashtag will be hashtag under Valentine's Coffee Station 2020. So that hashtag should allow you to find everybody that's participating in this collaboration. So guys, have a great day. I think what I'm about to do is kick up my heels and maybe have a little coffee and have one of those croissants. So again, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great, great evening. Bye-bye.